Welcome to the Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos.
A helicopter tree trimming technique. Yes, you heard that right. Watch this video of a contractor using a helicopter to trim hard-to-reach branches, especially around power lines. This is an innovative method, as the helicopter hovers in the sky, allowing for quick and precise trimming from positions that conventional vehicles simply cannot access. With the JCB backhoe, uprooting trees becomes easy and fast thanks to its superior digging capability. Its smart design minimizes soil impact while ensuring maximum efficiency. No matter how tough the tree stump is, the JCB handles it smoothly, leaving a clean and safe space for the next operation.
The NTB wood cutting system is a product from Japan. Known as the fastest dual band saw in the industry, its pre-registration feature simplifies the cutting process, enabling automatic wood processing in an impressive 18.5 seconds. NTB offers an attractive solution for automation and labor efficiency in modern wood factories. Wood in the blink of an eye. Lumberjack turned a towering cedar into a memory. It took only 3 minutes. It was amazing how quickly the giant of nature collapsed before their skills. This guy used a hydraulic press, some scrap metal, and a lot of creativity, and boom, he had himself a wood splitter. While aesthetics may not be the top priority, efficiency and effectiveness are clearly shown. What a cool invention. That machine is an absolute beast, and the operator knows exactly how to tame it. Tree cutting is a complex activity that requires expertise and specialized equipment. A lack of proper preparation can result in serious injuries or property damage. An image that evokes memories of the past. Crosscut saws like this are no longer common and now exist only as a memory for many. Did you see that tree disappear? The Prino M450 is a ravenous beast. It devoured that tree without mercy. A truly one-sided showdown. The Mus 500i steel chainsaw isn't just a chainsaw, it's a technological marvel. The first of its kind with an electronic fuel injection system. This translates to raw power and unmatched efficiency. Witnessing this Keto 5.0 beast in action, effortlessly taking down a massive cedar, is a true testament to its capabilities.
In the world of wood processing, the Lusso Big Mill Chainsaw is a compact yet powerful handheld saw. Ideal for those who need to work in tight spaces or hard-to-reach areas. However, its weakness lies in its ability to cut larger and thicker logs compared to more powerful industrial saws. Still, weighing just 4.8 kilograms, this chainsaw is easy to carry and can operate in various terrain conditions, offering flexibility and cost-effectiveness for small forestry tasks. The Peasant PTH 1200 moves like a massive beast, devouring large logs and turning them into wood chips in an instant with its 1.000 horsepower. You can't help but be amazed at its ability to handle such enormous workloads effortlessly. Watching it in action feels like witnessing pure industrial magic, where power and technology merge to create miracles that leave you spellbound. The combination of the Merlot MM350 and the Tray AHW M650H is a versatile partnership that promises to revolutionize the way dense vegetation is handled with cutting-edge technology. This duo is sure to overcome any forestry challenge, setting new standards for performance and durability. Loading massive logs onto a truck is no easy task, but with the help of modern machinery, everything becomes much simpler. The sturdy 400 horsepower logging truck stands firm like a warrior, effortlessly lifting logs weighing up to 2 tons onto the truck bed quickly and safely. The engine, combined with a 150-bar hydraulic system and absolute precision at every pivot point, makes the job smoother and more efficient. This wood crusher seems to gnaw and crush all kinds of wood that is placed in it. Crushing the wood is as easy as chewing candy. Let's take a look at this monstrous and most expensive mahogany saw. The most impressive feature is its razor-sharp 2-meter blade and a powerhouse engine delivering up to 600 horsepower. When in operation, the sound of the saw and engine blend into an industrial symphony, slicing through even the hardest mahogany with pinpoint precision. Each 10 centimeters piece is flawlessly separated, showcasing the sophistication of cutting-edge technology.